Hi everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to access Zoom at home. So if you haven't already got it downloaded, you'll need to go to the App Store or whichever app you use to download apps, and then find Zoom Cloud Meetings, and I've already clicked download, so mine's downloading. Okay, so it's finished downloading, so I'm going to click open. Okay, when you get onto the app, you'll see this screen. Press join a meeting. You don't need to have a sign up, or you don't have to have a login details. You can just join a meeting. So your meeting ID you should have in your email. So that's the long number. And then join. If you want, you can change this to say your child's name, or you can just leave it as it is. And then the passcode, also included in the email. And then continue. And then it'll come up with this, which means the meeting hasn't started yet. So just wait for that. Okay, and then it will come up with Zoom would like to access the camera. Okay. Join with video if you want everyone to see you. And then you'll see this as you're waiting. The person who's doing the meeting will let you in. And then press cool using internet audio. That just means you'll be able to hear. Up the top here you can unmute yourself. The video host will probably mute everyone so that everyone can hear. But if you want to talk, you can click that and you'll unmute. If you want to watch but you don't want them to see you, you can press stop video. And if you want to see everyone that's in the meeting, you can press this button here, switch to gallery view, and that will show everyone that's in the meeting. And if you only want to see the person talking, you press it again and it will go back to the main speaker. Hopefully we'll see you all on a Zoom soon.